Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I'm here today to share 3 spring or Easter DIYs. For the first one, you'll need this bunny from Dollar General or a similar shaped bunny, floral moss, some burlap roses, and a cotton ball or pom-pom. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the tag from the back of this bunny, and I just wanted to add some moss to the back to turn it into a little bit more of a neutral spring decor. I like the white lace with the pink bow, but sometimes I might want something a little more neutral, maybe early spring, and then turn it around as it gets closer to Easter. So as you can see, all I'm doing is applying some hot glue in small sections and then sticking down some of the moss until I get the bunny completely covered. So once you get the bunny covered and have shaken or brushed off any loose moss, go ahead and take your scissors and just trim around the outline shape of the bunny. Next, I'm going to take one of these burlap roses I've used before. It's a package from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gluing it to this side of the bunny so that it covers the pink flower from the other side. Also, I'm using some nautical rope just to finish off the little piece going around the neck. Next, you'll take a white pom-pom or cotton ball and glue it for your tail. And very simple, here is the new neutral for spring bunny. Next, I'm taking this hanging egg sign from Dollar Tree. I love the image in the center, but I'm not a fan of the pink glitter and want to make this a little more farmhouse. So I'm going to cut off the ribbon that was hanging, and then the centerpiece comes off easily. Next, I'm taking some of my jute twine, and this is quite a process. I don't make you sit and watch me do the entire thing, but I start out by hot gluing the jute twine and then wrapping it around the entire outline shape of this egg. I am going to use this blank side as my new front, just in case any purple glitter shows through on the other side. We won't see it anyway. So once you've finished wrapping the entire outside egg with the twine, you can just move the string a little bit apart to find those holes again. This is a little, I don't know what you call it. It's kind of like a shoelace where it has the plastic on the ends that hold it in place. And then I did use just a piece of jute twine to hang the sign as the finishing touch. Very simple, but I just love how neutral this looks, and I can hang it as it gets closer to Easter. And the third project for this video, and the one I'm the most excited about, is going to use these products. The wood sign I found on clearance at Hobby Lobby, but you could easily use one of the Easter signs that's out right now at Dollar Tree and just do this on the back. I'm taking this package of 4 bunny eggs from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 3 of them because I have 3 children. I took them apart and I'm just going to use the back so it looks similar to the sign you can buy at Dollar Tree that it shows the bunnies, the back side of the bunnies. So I'm doing 3 different colors of chalk paint. The yellow, I can't remember what it's called. I'll try to put it in the description. This blue is the pool that I've used before. And the pink, I believe, is called Ballet Slipper. I just loved the shape of these eggs, but didn't want the bright, bright colors for my spring decor. I will say that these took 1 coat, but I think I used 2 on the purple one because it was a little dark. While those were drying, I took my little wood fence sign. Again, this is regularly, I believe, $4.99 at Hobby Lobby, but I got it on clearance for $1.24. I'm taking my chalk paint in the color Mineral, it's a light gray, and just giving this wood fence a good coat of this color. I decided to take 3 small pieces of my jute twine to put like a little, I don't know, ribbon around the bunnies' necks. So I just cut a piece and you can see I'm hot gluing it to the inside of each of the eggs. Next, I'm going to take my white chalk paint and just dry brush some white on this mineral color just to give it a little bit more of a weathered look. Again, if you can't find this sign or something similar, you can always do this on just one of the Easter signs that's at Dollar Tree right now. Just flip it over and paint your fence on the back. Of course, each of our little bunnies needs a little tail, so I'm just using 3 of the small pom-poms for that. I know this Easter sign was not listed in my supplies needed at the beginning of the video, but I did decide that for my sign or my wording on this, I wanted to use this little burlap banner that says spring. I debated for a long time what I wanted the word to be on this sign, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm taking a paint marker though and just outlining it so it stands out a little bit more from the fence. And now you'll see I'm taking just some hot glue and putting some on the jute twine because that's where each bunny is going to attach to my fence. Another option if you can't find this spring banner is to use metal words. You could use stickers to make a word or just leave it blank, maybe put some clouds or carrots on this sign as well. Next, I'm taking some of the Excelsior grass from Dollar Tree and just putting a little bit at the bottom as a finishing touch so my bunnies are sitting on the grass. I did not end up using eggs or carrots. I just decided that I liked it simpler with just the grass and the bunnies. But feel free to make this sign your own. And I love, love, love the finished touch. This sign does have an easel on it, so I can stand it up on the mantle. And these are our 3 products. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know which of these 3 projects is your favorite. And I will link some of my other latest Spring Farmhouse videos for you here. Have a great week. Bye-bye.